Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: Combyne installed and an account. First, open the app and tap Create New Project. Name it clearly so you can find it later. Once done, choose 16, 9, or another ratio to match your output. Next, import one base element, an image, template, or clip to anchor the composition. Make sure to allow only the permissions you need. That avoids clutter and keeps your workspace fast and focused. Now you assemble the piece. Drag assets into the timeline and stack layers logically: background, main content, then overlays. Use snapping and guides to align precisely. Once layers are placed, trim and split clips to tighten pacing, and add transitions between segments to smooth cuts. Then apply presets: color filters for mood, motion presets for dynamics, and export profiles matched to Instagram, YouTube, or native sharing. This reduces rework and ensures consistent quality across platforms. Finish by previewing the entire project at full resolution and scanning for cuts, sync, and audio balance. Aim for about -6 decibels on peaks. When satisfied, choose your export codec and resolution, apply a clear file name, and export. If export fails or assets are missing, clear the app cache and restart Combyne, then re-import the missing files. If problems persist, reduce export bitrate or export a short test clip to isolate the issue before attempting a full render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.